Hi everyone, welcome back to Math Defined. I'm Mrs. C, and today we're diving into something that affects all of us when it comes to money. Simple interest. Whether you're saving money, borrowing money, or even investing, understanding simple interest is super helpful. So what is simple interest? Simple interest is extra money added on top of the money you borrow or save. If you borrow money, you pay a little extra. If you save or invest money, you earn a little extra. It's like a thank you bonus for letting someone use your money or a fee for using someone else's. We figure it out using this simple formula. I equals P times R times T, where I is the dollar amount of simple interest, P is the principal amount or the amount of money you started with, R is the annual interest rate written as a decimal, and T is the time in years. Let's jump right into some examples. Imagine you deposited $500 into a savings account with a simple interest rate of 3% for 4 years. How much interest would you earn, and what would your total balance be? Let's use the simple interest formula to find out. We know the interest rate is 3%. And the principal, or the amount of money we started with, is $500. The time is 4 years, and we're looking for the interest earned. Converting the percent into a decimal, we have the equation I equals 500 times 0.03 times 4. Multiplying these three numbers, we get 60. So the interest you earned is $60. To find your new balance, we'll add this $60 to the $500 you deposited to get $560. Nice! You just earned $60 by saving money. Now let's suppose that you started up a weekly lemonade stand at the local farmer's market. In order to start your business, you borrowed $300 from your uncle. It took you 3 years to pay him back his $300 plus the $45 in interest that he charged you on the loan. What was the annual interest rate? We'll use the simple interest formula to find out. We know that the interest was $45, so we'll replace the I in the formula with 45. The principal is $300. The R in the formula represents the interest rate, which is what we are looking for, so we'll just bring the R down. And the T represents the time of the loan in years, which is 3. Now we can solve for R to find out the interest rate. First, we'll multiply 300 times R times 3 to get 900R. Then we'll divide both sides by 900, and 45 divided by 900 is 0.05. The last step is to convert this decimal back into a percent by moving the decimal point 2 places to the right to get 5%. So your annual interest rate was 5%. That's not a bad return. You were able to start your business, and it only cost you $45 to borrow the money you needed to get started. Let's go back to the bank. You decided to put $200 into a savings account a long time ago. The account earns 4% simple interest per year. After some time, you check your bank statement and see that you've earned $32 in interest. Now you're wondering, how long has your money been in there? We'll use this information to set up our simple interest equation. The interest was $32. The principal, or the amount you put into your savings account, was $200. The rate is 4%, and we're looking for the amount of time. So our equation is 32 equals 200 times 0.04 times t. First, we'll multiply these three values to get 32 equals 8t. Then to solve for t, we'll divide both sides by 8, and 32 divided by 8 is 4. So you deposited that $200 4 years ago. Your money just sat in that savings account, growing all by itself. I think you're ready to try one on your own. Let's say you invest $120 into a lawn care business with a friend. Your friend agrees to pay you simple interest at a rate of 5% per year for using your money. After 2 years, How much money in interest should you receive? Pause the video now and use the simple interest formula to find out. All right, let's see how you did. First, we'll substitute the given values into the formula. I equals 120 times 5%, written as the decimal 0.05 times 2. Multiplying these three values, we get 12. So you earned $12 in interest from your investment. And at the end of the loan, your friend paid you back not only what they borrowed, but the interest as well, for a total return of $132. Awesome job today! If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and if you watch this video all the way to the end, drop a money bag in the comments so I know you're part of our Math Defined crew. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep math awesome.